So basically, who are we? So we are an official robotics and AI club. We build robots. We do big projects. We make industrial robots. We make small scale robots. So it's more of a hobby and a profession. Okay. So basically, starting on what will you learn? So initially, there are few fields in robotics. Starting from my favorite is about the designing and the manufacturing of robots. So this is one of the fields which you can go on and work on professionally. Next, we also have other fields which are quite fascinating to most of the students. It's basically on electronics, sensors, and controlling. So these all are also the various aspects of robots which you can work on. Next, machine learning. I'm pretty sure many students have started doing this. So, but if you want, you can implement these in hardware as well. We are doing one project, an industrial robot, which we'll be implementing ML on our hardware project. So you can explore that. And there are very many more fields such as computer visions and working on drones, working on robot operating systems and all. So these are all a part of our club. So we all practice and work on this. So our projects, so the previous year water projects we have finished and accomplished. So I'll be showing you. First one is the robot dog. How many of you have seen robot dogs before? So we were building one of them here. So you can see our lab is working. And then moving on to drones for aerial robots, for ground robots, for aerial robots, all types of robots we build. And also submarine, underwater. We've also started working on the underwater vehicles, which is quite the trend right nowadays. And a gesture control car. Basically, the vehicles which you made for, let's say, the Robo Rumble, try using your gestures, try using your hands to control it automatically. That is also fun. Then also we have other types of projects which we build. One is the self-balancing board and the Rubik's Cube solver. So these are also very cool projects we should build. So right now, ongoing projects are the hexapod robot. This is the 6-leg. Leg locomotion is currently very fond. My batchmates and my juniors are very fond of leg locomotion. So we have done the 4-leg. We're also moving on to the 6-leg. And why not the 2-leg? So we're also planning to make a large-scale biped robot, as Siddharth said. So we will have fun. It will not be that big of a scale, but you will get to know the basic idea how to start. Next, as seen, we also manufacture industrial robots. So this is one of the industrial robots that will be made and we'll probably sell. So these are also kind of industrial manipulators which you can study and work upon. Then also, these are from the juniors itself, the second years I guess. So they are starting to make the gimbal for your motion and camera capturing. And also the Mars rover project, we are also starting with these. These are the projects which are currently ongoing. So you can learn and take part in them. So it will be a good. So now moving on to our achievements for the last session of 2023-24. So initially, this is one of our most OP, we call it the club senior, Shailesh. He had won the largest competition of robotics in India. The prize money worth 10 lakhs for the final round. And on top of that, he won 2.5 lakhs in the intermediate rounds as well. So overall 12 to 13 lakhs he won in that competition. It is the largest one in India. Next, NXP AIM. This year the team recently they went for the regional finale and we are hoping to get a good podium finish. Previously in the previous session also we had won this competition, so we hope it's good. Next, Inter-IT. How many of you are aware of what is Inter-IT? I see quite a few are there. So basically we compete against other IITs on their problem statements. So we have RoboSN has the most amount of medals which we have won in this competition. And you can see over the years, even last year we won a medal defeating IIT Kanpur, Madras and Bombay altogether. So eYantra, another one of the big robotics competition. You can see this is also one of the largest scale competition for I think undergrad basically. So for the past 3 sessions we have had a podium finish and hopefully we'll have a 4th one with you. And these are the competition won by your just seniors, second years who have won and gone to other IITs and other places to win the competition nationally. And some more, the companies, if you hear about Uber and Flipkart and KPMG, we have also won their ideation challenges and stuff. So it's quite cool if you be a part of them. And more, just write the list. So yeah, why join us? Basically, you should join us if you want to pursue a career in robotics, if you are planning to start, so it is the best place to start. And you can also join this as a hobby also if you want to build robots, but mainly as a profession mostly people join. But seriously, why join us? It is to be part of our amazing Roboasm family. I'm pretty sure you'll have a lot of fun being a part with us. So you want to be among us,